Hello and welcome to the next episode of 3 Questions in 3 Minutes with RoleModel Software, giving you the information you need to make wise decisions in your technology landscape. Today with us we have Craftsman Tim Irwin.
Hey Jamie, thanks for having me.
Thank you for hopping on. So today we're going to be talking about RoleModel's process for leading projects. So Tim, we'll dive right in. You get 60 seconds to answer 3 different questions.
Okay.
So the first one, what does collaborative decision making mean at RoleModel Software?
Sure. Collaborative decision making comes in lots of different forms at RoleModel. It's one of the things I really appreciate about building software here. I think that we do a much better job than the industry standard. Whether it be our kickoff meeting or daily stand-ups or our retrospectives or our iteration meetings or ad hoc meetings to talk about, there's constant collaboration between the customer, between RoleModel, between the other stakeholders, where we're working together as partners in that collaboration, coming up with what is the best solution, and we're talking about it together to make sure that we're making the right decisions at the right time.
That makes a lot of sense. So how does that translate to our partners having confidence in their custom software project?
Confidence is really key when you're building software. The customer wants to have confidence. I want to have confidence as someone leading your project that we're going to be able to deliver the things that we're talking about delivering. So we just mentioned about collaborative decision making. That's one piece of it, where the constant communication, being able to work through the decisions that need to happen, where everybody understands what's happening. I think there's a lot of confidence simply by knowing what's happening, that you don't have questions about what's happening and when it's going to be happening. The second is seeing the consistent progress that we're making. We're here about delivering software. That's why we are here building the system. And as you see the consistent progress, confidence builds as you see that progress happening. Constantly shipping, that's part of that process. It's not just build it and we can build some demo software. We're building shippable software that you can start using right away. Those constant feedback loops that we mentioned are a big key to gaining that confidence, not just for you as the customer, but also for us as developers that we're on the right track.
Certainly. So can you give us a real example from your experience at RoleModel, how that impacted a client in their project?
Recently, I worked on a project where we were working with a first-time product owner. They had built custom software before, not necessarily in an agile way, but we were able to guide and help them as they came up to speed on building software with Agile, helping this first-time product owner be able to do some of those same things where at the beginning, they needed to learn some things about what it means to be a product owner. But by the end, one of the best product owners I've probably ever worked with. So helping them learn and grow and develop the skills during that process, till eventually we came to a point where they had a successful launch over just a few, maybe 6-month period. So going from no experience to very successful in about 6 months. As we're working on software projects, we don't expect our customers to be experts at building software. That's why you come to us, and that's why we are here to help you build software and have a successful project so that you can focus on building your business, because that's what you are here to do.
Tim, thank you for hopping on with us today.
Yeah, absolutely. Glad to do it.
To you out there, we hope that this was informational and insightful. If you have any questions about technology or custom software, we'd love to address those in an upcoming video or just reach out to you directly. So be sure to subscribe, because there will be more of these videos coming out in the future. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time.